So in this session, we're going to be looking at shell scripting. In our previous session, we started looking at the CLI and how commands can be written. So basic commands. We also had a look at just a simple bash script, making sure that we know how to write just one simple bash script with one line of command. But in this session, we're going to go a bit deeper on bash scripting. So when we talk about bash scripting, we're talking about, or a bash script, we're talking about a file that has some commands, and that command can be executed to perform some action or some task. So basically, sometimes what we do is we have a few commands or some commands that we want to execute to be able to provision a system. It could be a web server, a database server, or something else. But in the real world, what happens is that you may be doing the same thing multiple times, and then having a way to kind of automate that particular task as what bash scripts are. So they help you to create the script once and then you reuse it multiple times. So in this session, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking at how to create a bash script or a bash, how to use a bash and how to execute a bash script, and also how to write some basic bash language or use the basic bash concepts, just like the way we do for programming languages. All right, so why Bash? Bash helps us to automate repetitive stuff or repetitive task. So that's the most fundamental reasons why people use Bash. Because at the end of the day, Bash scripts is just CLI. The only reason is that we want to have it somewhere and then we can come back to it more and use it again and again and again. So that's why it exists.